Today we are going to start a new chapter. In the previous class we have completed the geography one, but right now we are going to start the civics chapter, that is rural livelihood. Okay, we are going to start from the rural livelihood. Obviously we are many people are living into the rural areas. So how the people of the rural people survive into that particular climate or that particular region, what is the how they used to be over there, how they work over there, and what are the needs required into that particular area, is it sufficient or not, we are going to read about that. Okay, so life in the rural areas is very different from that in the cities. Obviously it is so much different than that of the cities. In cities you can see that there is each and every facilities is available into the cities, but instead of that in the village there is less facilities and people used to live with that only. The primary occupation of the people into the village is agriculture and other related works such as their cattle herding and also the carpenting work and the laboring work. They used to do all this work who are living into the village, and they have a small cluster of houses which are mostly single or double story. Okay, they mostly maintain some animals like cattle, goats and fowls for the meat and the need of the milk. They used to maintain the animals such as cattle, cow and buffalo, goat, fowls for their meat and for their milk. So these are the animals they used to maintain with themselves, and the family joins in for all types of work, be it sowing and cropping of crop, tending of animals and doing other skilled work. In this chapter we shall see how different people of a typical village earn their livelihood. In this chapter we are going to know about that how the people living in the village, how they earn the money, how they used to survive into less facilities. We will get to know about this into this particular chapter. So what are the main points? That is introduction of the chapter. Second, who are the big farmers, medium farmers, small farmers and landless farmers. So we are going to know about them also, that because we are knowing that agriculture is the main occupation into the village, so we will get to know about these things also, that how they used to work into the villages. So firstly we will start from a story. There is a story into this particular chapter. Then after that we will start processing. We will start to read the next chapters. Okay. Deepak was 8 years old and was excited to hear from his mother that during the summer vacation they would be going to the uncle's house in a small village in Punjab. So Deepak was a small child of 8 years old, and he had listened from his mother that they are going to their village, to the uncle's house which is into the small village, into the summer vacation. So he was so excited that yes, he will go and visit the village and will know about each and everything, that how people used to live over there. He had never been to Punjab, and his father was working for the government in Kolkata. He has never gone to the Punjab, but his father was, because his family was living into the Kolkata, his father was working over there. That's why he had not gone to Punjab into his into his uncle's house. So he had heard from his elder brother that the last time they have gone in Punjab, he had seen a buffalo inside his uncle's house and some mango trees, and he used to go to the field with his cousins and pluck them from the trees itself. He has gone to the village. He has seen his elder brothers has told to the Deepak that last time he had gone to the village and he had seen the buffaloes along with the mangoes which were hung on the trees, and he had gone and plucked it. These all the stories he was telling to his younger brother. So his younger brother means Deepak was getting more and more excited related to that. Deepak always wondered about these stories as he had never seen a buffalo inside a house. And he had, obviously in the cities areas you have never seen that people are tending their buffaloes also and cows also into the city's house. So he was not aware of that, and he wanted to see these type of things, that buffalo is also tied into the house and they are living with the people into a particular place. That's why he was so much excited to see that. Next, in June, they traveled in a train and reached Punjab. They got out of the railway station and his uncle was there to receive them. He noticed that the language written on the station was different as comparison to the Kolkata. The language which is used into the Punjab on the railway station, it has been different from that of the regular language which he was using into the Kolkata. So he was told that it was Punjabi language. Next, they came out of the station and there was a tractor with a trolley waiting for them. Out of the railway station, there was a tractor with a trolley, his uncle's tractor with a trolley, which is waiting for them, which uncle have came to receive them at the railway station, and he brought the tractor along with the trolley. Next, he didn't see any taxi and auto rickshaw into that area. Deepak saw some tongas or horse cart, a bullock cart and few rickshaws standing there. He was surprised that the rickshaw pullers spoke Hindi and not Punjabi, but they moved on towards the tractor trolley and boarded it. They started their journey in a rectangle on a brake-lined track. Into the villages, you have seen that there is a road which is not mattered. Mean to say that it is we can say it is kacha road. Okay, kacha road which is made up of brick. Okay, so into the villages mostly there is a kacha road you will found into that area. So he was going through the trolley and he had seen that there is no metal road, means there is no pakka road. Instead of that there is a kacha road made up of bricks. So he was surprised. So it was a bumpy ride, but his cousin told him that the road was being repaired and soon it will be black top and smooth. Within minutes, they have reached to their uncle's house. It was a double-story house. Okay. As he entered, he saw two buffaloes tied on a side, and they were eating some grasses. So in the evening, he was so excited to see that yes, see there is a buffalo tied over there, and they are eating grasses, and he was so excited to see that out of the house there is two buffaloes tied over there, and whole environment of the village is totally different as comparison to the cities. In the evening, he went out with his cousin to see the village. He found everything appeared very different from that of the Kolkata. He noticed that people were dressed definitely. They spoke a different language. There were some people working in the field. He saw a tube well gushing out water. He noticed people milking cows inside a huge cow shed. There was some small shops from which people were buying things, and some people were just sitting idle close to the school playing cards. His cousin told him that these people do not have much work these days and it is not cropping season. That's why they are sitting into at the ground and they are playing the cards. So this is the environment into the village which Deepak has seen into his uncle's village. Okay. So people in the village live a very different life as comparison to the cities. Their primary occupation is agriculture. basically village people, their primary occupation is agriculture, and work in the fields is not easy. We are thinking that yes, working in the field is so much easy, we will plug the field and we will do each and everything. No, it is not so much easy, and they are doing lots of hard work for plugging the field, then after that doing the farming, for cropping the plant. It takes so much time. Lot of people, machinery, seeds and fertilizers are required to produce a singular crop, that is wheat or rice or any other crop. Then they need to be harvested and stored or sold away. After the crop get out from the field, then crop get cutted out from the field, then it is get stored into a storage granary, into the storage granary, where they used to store all the harvesting, and then they used to sold it away into the market. There are different types of farmers. Everyone does not own equal amount of land. Different types of farmers are found into the villages, and everyone have the different type of amount of the land. First one is big farmer. What they are doing? Farmers who have large pieces of land, generally over the 10 hectares, are called the big farmers. The farmers which have a larger land, which have so much area of the land they are counted into the big farmers. They are rich and can own or hire machinery to carry out farming activities. They use good quality of seeds, employ high technology machinery like combines and harvesters, threshing machines, sowing machines, sprinklers, etc. They are capable to hire big machines such as the harvesting machines, the combine, the threshing machines and sowing machines. They can hire it very easily because they are so rich. They have lots of land, that's why they are able to hire these type of machineries, and they can employ many people to assist in the farming activities. They normally have tube wells and do not depend much on the monsoon. Next, they produce more than one crop in a year, and they also use better fertilizer and get better yield from their crop. From the crop they used to get better yielding, okay, and they can hire more and more laborers because there is no any deficiency of money to them. That's why they are able to hire more and more laborers. It is not required by them to go into the field and work into the field. No, they can hire some peoples and they will do work for them. Next, as the produce is on a large scale, they have a lots of surplus and they sell the produce in the market to earn profit. This helps them to live a good life. This helps them because they have so much land area. Cropping is also so good. They can hire the people also, and after all the things, when after the harvesting, they used to collect the crops and sold it into the market with a better amount. So it is they don't have any difficulty. They can spare a very good life. Next, they have enough money to invest in the next crop also, and also give out loans to others who need money. So the big farmers don't have any type of problem related to the crop, and they can do it very easily. There is no any deficiency of anything. So in the next video we will study about the medium farmers, the small farmers and the landless farmers. Okay, thank you so much everyone.